So by default, it is not on for the overlay. You'll have just this down here. And if you want to show the chart overlay, you open the settings by clicking the, I guess that's a cog. It doesn't look like a cog as much as other software, but and then that's the fourth option down, show chart overlay, and it will bring all of the lines that you see down here. It transposes them up to the main chart. And then if you don't want to see the lower study, you have the option of collapsing it. You could also double click the chart, the main chart on TradingView, that will hide all the lower studies. So if you have multiple lower studies, you may just want to use this.
Okay.
So does that answer?
Yeah. And just on something that you said that made me notice that. So when the overlay is on the main chart, we also have lines appear in that lower panel. Is that correct? And those just correspond with where they are on the upper chart?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, like in theory, you could just use this if you,
Right.
if you wanted to just keep it very simple. Some people really like a clean chart. They don't want anything on the actual candles. And so this allows that.
Right.
So like right here at 320 on Friday, I know, just because I can see the percent B line down here, that the ATR is met basically right there at 66.78, and it's probably slightly off, but so yeah, so there's the line. So I can get that just from this percent B plot down here.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
So you have this, and this is for intraday, I would say intraday analysis. You could use this if you're a 0-day trader, and you can use this for any stock. It doesn't have to be SPX. You could use this for NVIDIA. You could use this for Tesla, and you'll find good confluence. And so like this is kind of a good example of looking at a stock. So one ATR would be 18 points for Tesla. And so you'll notice that we spent some time above the high here, and then we broke below this half low ATR line, and we extended just a little bit lower. But if you notice, from this low to this high, what is it? It's 18 points. One ATR, 18 points.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah. So again, you'll have to watch this for a while and get used to it. But there's all kinds of things you'll notice, like, okay, we didn't hold over the open. We traded it for so much during this open session. We finally went below, and it's like, okay, I can try to start targeting this line, but in reality, the high of day is actually beyond what would be like our low point for our daily candle,
Right.
and or the high point rather for the daily candle on a bearish day. Open would be our high, and so then all you need to do is figure out like what that one ATR size is using the measuring tool, and maybe I'll update the script to show it. But then, so you could just very simply say, okay, well, where is the one ATR going to take me then if this is the high of day? And so it would actually be right about where the low of day ended up being on Tesla for this day.
Right.
So it's a very good visual reminder, to not expect too much out of a particular day for a stock. So, yeah. All right.